What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of On Again with Andre Glenn, and today I'm actually going to be taking an image that we made in Placeit.net, and I'm going to take that image from Placeit.net and put it into my Cricut Design Space software, and from there I'm going to cut it, and then from cutting it I am going to put it on a t-shirt and bring it to life. If you want to see how I actually made that image, you can check that out. That'll also be somewhere up here. Check it out. So with that being said, yeah, it'll be over here. So this is YouTube. I ain't got a lot of time. You ain't got a lot of time. But the great thing about YouTube is you slow the video down. You can wind the video. You can fast forward the video. Nevertheless, I shouldn't have to slow down in order for you to catch up. So to complete this, I'll be using my Easyweed Siser Matte collection. All right, so this is from none other than Heat Transfer Warehouse. Shout out to them, shout out to Siser, and we'll be using the Glacial Blue Matte. We'll be using the what did Jay-Z say?
Peace. I like that pink, man. Mauve, bro. Mauve. Okay. Okay, Mauve. All right. Absolutely. Thank you.
Like songs. What's that? That's Mauve King? Feeling marvelous.
We'll be using the olive green. We'll be using the white matte. And they also sent a Wildberry. All right, that Wildberry is pretty dope, but I'm not gonna be using it this time. I'm gonna be using all of these. So, and the t-shirt that I'll be using is none other than Bella+Canvas 100% cotton. Let's take a look at what's on Heat Transfer Warehouse's website, right? Because the great thing about Heat Transfer Warehouse, guys, is they actually put all the instructions you need on the website. Some places don't do that. Hey, even I was at Michael's, and I know that you're subject to pick up a piece of vinyl from Michael's and you cut it and you rip it open and you don't know what you're supposed to do. So we're gonna type in Siser Easyweed Matte, and that'll be located right with the Siser Easyweed. Just so you know, I've literally linked this information in the description, so you do not have to do all of the typing and searching. You can just click on the link below if you need to. Then we got Siser Easyweed, bam. So I will select the color. All right, so we're gonna use the Glacial Blue, right? Yeah. All right. So down here, all right, so application says 305 for 10 to 15 seconds, peel hot or cold. Okay, 305, 10 to 15 seconds, peel hot or cold. Medium pressure, cut in reverse. So of course we all know that. We're gonna use the mirror when we cut, and we're gonna use the plastic side. We're gonna cut that. The plastic side is gonna be on the mat. So if you forget, just like cut a piece or take your weeding tool, pry at it. You'll see which side is, the plastic side. If you can't see, or which side is holding the transfer. And then we're gonna do, it says that it applies to polyester cotton and polyester cotton blends. So That is very important, everybody, because we want to make sure that we are applying this on the right kind of material. Always check to make sure that you're using the right kind of material first. And then it says wait 24 hours before you wash it. That's another one, you guys. Don't forget that you're supposed to wait 24 hours before you wash it. Why? I think they say that the adhesive is still like blending with the fabric and the material to make, you know, make it whole. So, but I don't know, man. If y'all hear anything otherwise on why you need to wait specifically 24 hours, you know, throw it in the comments, yo. Let's go. So we already know we're gonna cut this like normal vinyl. So I will show you that in the settings. So let's go. All right, so yo, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna make these. We're gonna mirror all of them. Real quick, mirror, mirror, mirror. Now this ain't gonna be the nicest, friendliest cut, but it's gonna get the job done, right? Let's see. All right, y'all, this is it. I would definitely say that the Siser Easyweed Weed is super smooth. It literally let me get away with things that most vinyls wouldn't let you get away with, for real. So, I am getting ready to press this on. Wish me luck. Let's see how it goes. Of course, I'm using a Bella+Canvas, 100% cotton. Bring my second camera in over here a little bit more so we can see. Get all of it now. All right. All right, y'all, so we're gonna do 305 to 10 to 15 seconds. Looking good so far. Alright, y'all. Let's see how that goes. Oh yeah, we looking good now. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit this joint one more time with the matte side. I think both these sides is matte. Alright, and bam. All right, y'all, there we have it. So I can say this about the Siser matte. I mean, it is really, really smooth. It's like no joke. Try it out. I mean, it's really smooth on weeding. It definitely let me get away with stuff I shouldn't have got away with. It's got like that thin feel. It definitely has like a retail quality feel to it. You know what I'm saying? Like when you go to the, you know, like a high-end or a high fashion store or something like that. That's the feel you get. You know, nice and thin. You know, great. So. Alright, so again, man, check out Placeit. The QR code is gonna be right here, right here in the corner. You know, check out Placeit. Check the QR code out. If you're watching on your TV, if not, it's in the description. Check out Heat Transfer Warehouse. Shout out to Heat Transfer Warehouse for providing me with this so I can share it with you guys. And then shout out Siser. And yeah, man, this is a great product. Peace.
Yeah.